Ambient art can be watched two ways. The first is movie mode. Movie mode will play selections of paintings by all the artists on the disc set to classical music. You can watch all the artists or just your favorite by selecting one from the Chapter Select column. Movie mode has optional audio commentary. You may activate the commentary from the menu or by pressing the audio button on your DVD remote control at any time while watching movie mode. Although he wasn't regarded as such in his lifetime, Claude Monet was the epitome of Impressionism and is the artist most closely associated with the movement. The time of the Impressionists was one of great growth in the scientific world, and the artists considered themselves scientists of a sort. Monet was no exception. His passion was the study of lighting and its effects, and in some cases he would wait hours for the light to fall correctly on leaves in his backgrounds. Slideshow mode has over 340 paintings by 11 artists and is designed to suit any viewing taste. Slideshow mode lets you play mini paintings or just one. To put just one painting on your television, select Find Your Favorite Painting. On the Favorite Painting menu, you can search through all the paintings on the disc. Select an artist's name on the right to jump to that artist. While searching the artist, you may jump from page to page or from artist to artist by using the buttons on screen. Simply click on your favorite painting to display it on your screen. By pressing up on your DVD remote, you can activate each painting's details. Press down to deactivate.